all brick and better than new. This 3-year-old home has been shown some serious love. West/10 by 12 shed, 12 by 15 deck, gutters, fence, upgraded landscaping, Nest thermostat, ceiling fans in all bedrooms, storm door plus the wooden swing set stays. Open floor plan. West/eat-in kitchen and formal dining room, walk-in pantry, all bedrooms are upstairs and have walk-in closets. One bedroom has a playroom. Enjoy your evenings chilling on the back porch. West/the fireplace watching your favorite TV show or the Braves game,